Early morning, hit the road. Sun is rising, engine's cold. Got my thermos by my side. Windows down, it's a perfect ride. One hand on the wheel, other on a cup that makes me feel like I can chase the day ahead with coffee, dreams, and roads to tread. Sipping slow while the world goes by. Steam on the dash, caffeine in the sky. Radio humming my favorite song. This brew keeps pushing me along. Oh yeah, I'm alive and free. Coffee and the road, all I need. Through the city, past the trees, Java joy in every breeze. Stoplights flash, but I don't mind, 'cause every sip slows down time. Espresso shot of just some cream, black and bold or sweet and dream. Every mile's a little poem, but coffee loved to bring me home. Sipping slow while the world goes by. Steam on the dash, caffeine in the sky. Radio humming my favorite song. This brew keeps pushing me along. Oh yeah, I'm alive and free. Coffee and the road's all I need. Rain or shine, the mug don't leak. It's fuel for thought, make believe. Me and the grind, we rise one. From the morning mist to the setting sun. Sipping slow while the world goes by. Steam on the dash, caffeine in the sky. Radio humming my favorite song. This brew keeps pushing me along. No place to be, no race to lead. Just coffee and the road. Yeah, that's all I need.